Here's a fast and easy way to save time when you install multiple Navien tankless water heaters. Introducing the ReadyLink Manifold System. The ReadyLink system provides all you need for fast, flexible, and easy installation of any configuration. Your distributor has everything in stock, and you can have it all the same day. Since you build it, you can carry it through the door and/or down the stairs of your installation site. No shipping delays or waiting. No special freight unloading or rigging required, as well as no concerns of freight damages. The ReadyLink system saves time on multi-unit tankless water heater installations. Just follow these 4 simple steps. 1. Pick your Navien unit, NPE-2 or NPE-2. 2. Pick your location wall or rack. 3. Pick your matching manifold kits. And 4. Pick your venting configuration. You can install NPE-2 units on a wall or a freestanding ReadyLink rack. First, assemble the base rack and add-on rack sections. The feet of the assembled rack must be bolted to the floor. Hang the units on the rack using the NPE-2 series mounting brackets. Install the valves and attach the unistruts. Mount the gas, cold water, and hot water manifolds. Connect couplings and unions to the manifolds. You may choose to attach couplings and stub-outs before hanging manifolds and cap all the manifolds. It may be easier to do this before mounting the pipes. Then connect flex water and gas lines and install vent collars for PVC vent pipe. Be sure to follow instructions for proper setup and cascading of units upon startup. For freestanding rack applications or a wall-mounted assembly, things couldn't be simpler. The ReadyLink manifold system can be configured for up to 16 units mounted side by side. When you have more than 4 units, you will need to select the proper add-on manifolds. Here, we show 2 manifolds to serve a total of 8 units mounted side by side. Assemble the system the same way. It may be simpler to attach couplings and stub-outs before mounting the manifolds. Make sure the ends are capped and attach the water and gas lines. Install the common vent collars and connect to common venting. Always follow directions in the installation manual for installing cascade cables and proper startup procedures. The assembly process for this 8-unit system saves hours over traditional mounting options. You can connect up to 16 units side by side using the ReadyLink manifold system. When you have more than 8 units connected side by side, you must connect water and gas supply lines between banks of units. This configuration must be done for both rack and wall mount installations. You can also mount units back-to-back using the ReadyLink manifold system. For 2 units, use the base rack and mount a unit on each side. Keep in mind that the feet of the rack must be bolted to the floor. Install the valves and unistruts to hold manifolds on one side of the rack. Connect the manifolds to mains and cap the manifolds. And attach water and gas lines. It may be simpler to install couplings, stub-outs, and caps before the manifolds are mounted. Attach common vent collars to common venting and connect the cascade cables. Be sure to follow directions for proper connection and startup procedures. Here's everything you need for a fast, simple, compact back-to-back installation. Mounting 4 or more units back-to-back requires add-on rack sections and add-on manifolds. Follow the same steps, installing add-on manifolds as needed and connecting them to the mains and capping the ends. You may want to install couplings and caps before you mount the manifolds. Attach water and gas lines and common vent collars as required. Always follow the instructions in the installation manual for proper setup and cascading of units upon startup. Here we see 8 units mounted using the same basic process, saving many hours of installation time. When you have more than 8 units mounted back-to-back, you need to separate them into 2 banks and install water and gas lines between the banks. With the ReadyLink manifold system, installation of multiple Navien NPE-2 units on a wall or a rack has never been easier. It's the same simple system whether you're installing 2 or up to 16 units. The ReadyLink manifold system, the fast, flexible, and easy way to save time when you install multiple Navien NPE-2 series tankless water heaters. Only from Navien. To keep up with Navien, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.